guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
That is one thing about monetizing on social media. If you are monetized and you are not working, you're depending on Facebook money, you have to really work hard to get paid at the end of the month. Good evening, people. Good evening. You have to work hard to really get paid at the end of the month. Even what you are talking about is not really relevant, it's not important, it doesn't make sense, it doesn't have substance. You just have to keep talking. So you can get the view that you need there so you can get paid at the end of the month. That is how it is. When you see people that have that time and it's trying to be on media, my God, come out of video how many times a day? They don't have any other job that they are investing their time on. By the time I don't start this social media work, me now wa la on a banner. Give me la on a when you enjoy wa la on. Hey, imi ajo we ya gbi yemila. Ije we regbe. Ovie we born ovie we. Ije mila mi ajo we gbi. I go use my leg kill Emila mama. I use and buy Emila mama. So that's why I go do them. So if you don't monetize for Facebook and you don't really get work where you dey work, my dear, anything where you see, where work balokuku where what to ta, we so you make up, we back concept, wala dia, waratana, emenuta, emobo, emowe, eme substance, you do eme mini, eme ahian, eme ade, just I worry it a little, anyhow you talk sure you don't monetize Facebook or you are like $1 no, $2 no, you money must solo and come out. So you was saying me now the madness is on the high side. Again, Facebook man be pay a madness in a massive video. A man like where the Mofi when me the Mofi to let me get social media video. Or what to tie the wild the man is not doing only one so when we know them on social media, we know them. But I'm my head social media, me badge, you no get badge, you no get a social media, and making no lady. We are here. Already has come to stay. Social media has come to stay. They don't go anywhere. So anyhow you use them, it's up to you. Anyhow you enjoy using it. If you want to enter because of you want to monetize, you want to be talking rubbish just to monetize, only way wrong. But if you have that important topic, if you want me to impart a life people can learn from. At the same time, you are growing your page, monetize ego ya to have a time nema be you want. So that one is another thing as well. So so thank you all for listening to me. Welcome to Gist Island. Please share this page. So why out? Well, my brief message this evening is to Mama Joy. And before that, I was listening to Prophet Utete today, where he actually played a voice note of one native daughter. When the native daughter here, I have a bona do 100,000 ya 100,000 naira. Only na ya tiezo. When I expect one when is over only man 100,000. When the when is 100,000 ya tiezo. So boni na gile to the net 100,000. So anyway, that for me that is not even the in a native daughter in tie. Many not seriously one. Okay, can you take one me? Many not a name no ya. where aga win ye big why. Oma we why? Oma we do or where why? Ono wag buni ni eze. Oma we ri mare why? Or where are we and a win ye big why? Or waiting ye gear. When they don't need what the basse. A native dot on hand, or my mean your very ya make example. On what you get wife, yeah. I give my picture like you know, or Wohana, and make can and my cavum way. On what you know what, yeah, a white ruru. So, Naya being my 100,000, boy, 100,000, what do you expect? I win a big get why, a why, ya fair. You know, so that word is a very wrong statement. Let me have me a bone in near much of near video die, no apologizing and do ya fair, no turning. Ogbeku I win ye bebo get why. When they do work basse, a native daughter no mammy your vegi ya make example ya zere a why roro. You know, that's the heart of it now. Hey, just the level that you what ya say. So only why to. So my reason for coming out, brief message to Mama Joy. So I think when I'm about no you not tank be water. That do we ring I see it. But me yeah you know what the message here again. Mama Joy International 1. Okbano. I mean boy for we when he made the channel you know. Mama Joy International 1. My sister, mommy when what to turn with your head high up. When what get high say. When you total with your shoulder high up, let your head and your shoulder be high up. Don't bow down to any guy then bagger with social media now. Never in your life. If you want to retain your ground and retain your respect in social media now, don't you ever bow down to anyone. A shed do well when we mula jani we sway live video nenya. I no na wo audio. Meti we no na wo audio no now you are not live video. We swaying. You understand? You put your face and everything to it our way. Mionia, don't you ever bow down to any refract with social media now. Never. That will be your biggest and greatest mistake. Oma win anything about you. When we get your level here, no your tie. Where level here, no your tie. I get that way. I have your picture. We're not posted social media mayaji. Ma anybody no social media. No we a bully. Who want money? Or money. Close your shop at the house. When I got social media na ne, uwe ye we walk your walk over we kokoyo lawa. Just enter house. I do want me like jawuna rene. I went worry wana. Now today, you understand? So Mama Joy, this is my message to you. If you want to retain your respect with social media now, button anybody. Work button anybody. When you talk anybody at one. You understand? And make a bowa where ume baji, ume monetizing, ume star wene. My sister. Anybody know you we topic here? I get what agben ni you talk. Do my me boy ala dia no wani. Agben you talk. Wait, a date no ya wan gwegu egban yo. Uti aye dari we. Anytime we are free we winner. What be get message to no. What ye get? Don't want no tie no waro yera ro vie. Egbe ya. We only are you when me view. Who have ya me view there. There hono mani ten your range we wa latia. When it we wa we mwe. What ye ne tie. We video ne. What say nonsense video. O man you when we view where abwa total when it we say. Oh yes. When it we wa we mwe say. Well, when I do that tell when manage no ya. We can choose to ignore some people. Oh hell no. Am I everybody my video ni you will be on number one topic. maybe live video, email topic. When no kawa gume gya 3 years ago, imu wede. I would expect those one. I would expect so. Ma understand? So Mama Joy, so far, where kita with social media and no ya where kita with social media na no ya risa no ne or no ya ri blala de ba no pa yo to. Mama Joy me gugona. We my way, so don't try it. That one, we may hear Kitanya no reason, no, ya bad lawyer, but not by ya la you are no like that. Never. Anybody no go one message to mom who want to tower the message in the one is there. Oh, no one, you know, enemy, no, the enemy, papa. What to taze, what ye yes. Oh, no one, you're with 3,000 viewers. They on the view you want me, why have me a platform. Oh, on why, dear, no, what lads, yera, via, or then work me. Why about where I be? A coboko and what I can say, why I get out of your when it's why we move out the end say, yeah, I beg away, in your day, we return again, in your day, we Mujamame social media now. On Waka Kunona, the large on a few beg with the normal keki, direct, my dear, where away, oh, and I can't pack a boss quarter. Where we like what the end of one is say. Oh, what the end is there? On one year, I can salo body a home where he owns you. Oh, no, we are less tire when I listen. Okay, get your picture. I know your name. I know where you stay. Go on your pan 1 year, my dear, when no yata. Understand? So, I didn't social media waka. Oh, yes. Anybody know what may topic it may message you direct or direct insult. Well, what what the don't ignore anybody. Oh, my met you when if you were where hell I know what to what the end of one is 7 okay. Anybody message to oh yeah, retaliation. Yeah, what the way Mama Joy well go all I jan almost so you be Latin. It matter yeah. Anybody know what go no what go yes. Or me master no go ya go with it. E master wa go go ja. E master mama here Utete. Once it make on no by social media video. I want like we no go go where you ala dia. Me on they may feel no ba with you imagine tata you never hear you no say no ba. Imagine understand? He can't do it was no banana matter there what's up. He me die download the what's up in it. My question you know I don't want money to buy social media what's up. I don't want here. Cause someone now what here a video here well here. Understand when I know I'm not a papa social media talker. So when I present us, so they have time for it. Because they manipulate here. So social media now why winning. So they have time to make video 10, 20 times a day. You go make an app all up. You buy money monetizing any. So mama, yeah, you go social media. And for now anyway, so we are no because we are not yell your buying out. I will sit down. This one way video. Make an app monetize. You will make an area. So you might yell your. You know now that thing will not don't take a time in your occupy your time. You don't have that time. When you are exhausted. You know, talking is not. He's talking alone when I'm not on his own. You know, so when it's on it alone, they are getting paid for it. So that aside, so I came out with a message now here again, Mama Joy. Ma understand when I am. Me I want ban will be ubawanaya le Zelibia village. Zelibia life and direct. Why have you ever? Oh, ja won't be no social media. Yes, so agua. So Mama Jola you are monetized, you have star, you have page, and I'm very happy for you. Anybody that said you that and one is sort of we are large to ta. When it we were Moses we were the no one who retaliate. We come do ya giara kebe social media. That is the way you communicate to people on social media. Understand? When we analyze that way, we are kind of more or less on the same. I like to have you analyze the matter and have me, have a tie, we go tie, make. But you don't well, okay, maybe when so they are talking about relationship issue, talking about marital affairs and all that, or current affairs, talking about politics. Maybe if you okay, you don't want to go off your topic, you don't want to reply to any fine. But for now, you analyze that on Edo Sabah space. You know, Edo Sabah space, Saga no sunu we go analyze my sister, my mama. So anybody now anywhere where a message to you, don't you hesitate. My social media na I don't paro, huh? No, ya say the wing guy, my dear. I don't paro, no that win via now one head everybody gets. Oh no one yagwa. But one in TA. Oh, one in tag with me. Yeah, you get your maths now. You say if you go sit down, you go give the person your own medicine. We know what we say. Only oh yeah, they give the person back and front. I want to with me view. Yeah, me. Oh yeah, with me this time. Yeah, me. A badge, you know. A payment, you know. Yeah. Don't get where na you avoir. Because when they see here am a sign of fairness with when ya na me okay gionara no na ya rovio one shock every gbe ya on na get in wala jo rovia bi ke ono ginya ofia ya ba wo wa horu ya wo pa hwe poi we hwe poi ya we yi ye gba egbe o ma say they bring down, they give them. I don't know we forget them. See, now you are now on live video with them. Don't let anybody mash you and pass. Yeah, mash you. See, what the best thing here? What giabi no ma for gia here kebe? What your pagina away? What your pagina? What your pagina? What the bed you second boy? Oh, ya you can put inside gutter. Understand? So everyone, so anyway, there is my brief message. And Mama Joy, continue with your great work. When you I don't buy the social media now. I don't believe because you haven't done that with me yet at all. Where Mama Joy don't need you now. It don't touch our way ma. It don't matter on one. It don't give you saga. It don't want nobody. No the way that. So I'm telling you, keep that record. Keep that record. Why and representative no here call you all here my phone here. No, why and call you when you're baba in your body as a angel. Mama, I'm your fan, your followers. I too love you. Yeah, I'm what I do. Yeah, So you are a grown up, you are a mature woman with wisdom. So you know exactly what you understand exactly what I'm talking about. So I know. Oh, wait, what's the nonsense video? So no mama. So we are on social media now. You are not you are not a dog like some other people here. You have not done that. I will tell you, continue to keep your head high up. Keep it high. Carry your shoulder high as a big woman that you are. Don't go where one day or large Roviera Vie. Ma understand who are Roviera Vie say. Why you wear me if you were live video? Kilo Shelley. Don't let them go scot free. Retaliate as well. Give in to them and when you are I don't worry Roviera video. Because me mammy on all the Google social media no I know like in any way. Oh to Rubeke. So I know. That's just my brief message to you. You are doing a great job. You are a lovely lady. You have that lovable personality. Mama Jo, you have that lovable personality. You know, you are you know yourself very well. So I will urge you, keep your head high up and keep your shoulder, along with it. You understand? So you have social media, you have style, you have badge, I believe you are monetized as well. So when I am with you, sit down there, matter near you a program near you will anyway the area. That is your job now. Mama, a message to Mama, who will the video and you will sit down and analyze it. where we do analyze the platform way. You know, it's the best way to handle such people. Where they video and where do analyze it. E kene na we oja no gian wo wa we di oja no wa we di ton again ya ba. Egege. Yeah, I will do analyze the platform way. Mother said, boy, yeah, talk period the night topic is anybody know with video you anywhere it's anywhere with video who do analyze the platform way. Because you are not a full live video presenter. So this is a when I anywhere create a topic in the name of waiting yeah we video. You come and you know answer them in a way that what when it you say no yeah we me you mention where we me but so one way you are working don't really have work benyo one year diary anytime if you have to no okay hand you sit down and give it to that person as well. So one me social media one me this is our sister retire me the way no ya linear back and front all the linear bumper to bumper. So like we so then ya kire. Ya we so then we agba no wo ya we kire. That way the way ya face that kire wa we ona I don't know one ya fi wo metik bela wani or if you were on agbo la wa on ya agege o na wa gwegun wa gegun. You know? Egba family over te advice maybe la fon te advice so we ni yan wa no di wa gun yan go wa tota. Why no one is even know why we kick money. So that is social media for you. Unless maybe you are people like myself, okay, we are not really we not allow fully. Agwa. 5 minutes we are video now 5 minutes we are review one no you ya go gian we when you know. So I get one wa we life or where na no my dear social media one here don't insult children no if you come mass come beg we na ka fi beg we if you want me am ebo gbe na I to insult your children if I hire you insult young so I know so we do why our social media high that is social media they work somebody give them back. Especially when you don't enter the game fully, give them back. They don't get waiting. Nobody they shop bottle. Now match they want to talk. Now match yourself for to talk your own. Give them back. Come on, if you walk in and what do you want to what go here? You know ba mesa. You know ba mesa no you know ba mesa no sa. You know. So that is just it. It's a brief message to Mama Joy. Carry on, continue with your great works. You know, you are one of the best analyzer on Edo cyberspace. You know, so I know we do. Me social media na. I'm when you I call make it here. We call low here. So the way you are desperate, you badge. This one never get badge. My dear, Facebook will operate. Where will you want money? And one on ya, when you operate Facebook, you reckon you do. Yeah, when you have it, you are going to do it. So, normal day permanent. I'm not emotionally connected to it. My emotion is not there. You understand? Without one agbono salobuaji. Ayewu. My way Facebook no one agbono waji. Okay, what do your emotions? Everything is on it. You are so you think where we may badge or monetize one my no. You know you're on Facebook 24/7 doing how many videos a day? We might not make it build a page and monetize. Okay, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Why do you want to wave video? I can't want to video. Why do we boss wave video? Why do we train wave video? I feel motor wave video. We might monetize. We will badge. Why you with Facebook? Why close your shop and enter house? You know why you better man once in a while, once in blue moon. You know, well if we are desperate for it, a topic you have on social media. No matter one, I met you was muji. that way you want to monetize. No, don't run things like that. So why be damn no why was and thank you all for listening to me this evening. Like and follow this page, Gist Island, and share this broadcast out. Thank you very much. That is just my brief message to Mama Joy this evening. Please work with your head high up on social media and with your shoulder high up on this social media, and please stay, as in maintain your that respect. When I say maintain that respect, don't be like that. Don't be like that. You know. So video message to you one day. Anytime we am boy vinya ya kugbe uhuriya wa mi do akwala je vinya ya kugbe uhuriya wa re wa so ni ya ube huriya ya ato hiya do we ato we bitin eri ono. Understand e do we onu rami unu oye ke. So that just onu ya go ya gbe for pali ya ji ya ma ri pali ya ri kiche ya ma ke wa pan ya ru moto. So there is no, they can't do anything, they can't stop the air you are breathing. Just insult, and your insult you transfer it to them, you know. So no, every social media na high. So why be damn here? Wasn't looking at the comments at all. Most of the time, I walk me you phone do me on what give me away now comment my comment in my money walk me just I don't I have finished and made the press finish. Most of the time I don't look at the comments. So why any me or say not one my go why was cannot be no mark can not be all of them join walk be ya jo me now we video me not to ta. If I read your comments you can want me and many ugly while I'm a hore me email boy at the comments me la to go. So I know why I always say cannot fear can no figure any social media na area high. So mama joy gallant gbena. Mama joy too gallant. Mama joy here have live video carry Darren le or ya atinya ya here be ka. Call them call say waiting. No, she too gallant. They do her own thing for her platform there. Now the phone na hand, they fall on herself down brakata present of children. What kind of nonsense be that? You know? So I don't say when mommy in my social media, man request with sister and castle neighbor. My message any wa journey. Oh, what go worry one it on anybody no go to market or what you want it. Oh, what you lo or what lewa for the mana sune. O mana lo sune zo bobeku. E okay no wa je say. Anyway, ati wa we go ba yi o we ladian o mai o gele o gele wa ladian we say. E okay ki agbame na ya kon situation de owa ze ya agbamo won na ze. So social media we not like social media now where they fear bully you. They go carry my picture come out. They can't know my real name, my dear Lawa. Enter house. They can't bully me before uncle. Is anybody that is social media? Market can anybody be. They don't want here to tag you with social media na my can we go my way. In fact, don't even who social media na mi kuno ge. Ana mi wo alamu ge ya. We have seen everything, we have heard everything. Ami can amu in ija. Uwe no rai wa mi we to no ru wo yo to no ave libya. So, you know, so we have every operation that no one here to tie and no original ne. I'm a great video. I'm a great video one. I make great video one. It even me say. So everything have a yasunu social media. I don't buy all the way. And this person, now say you be, and I say you no be. You know what I do? No, I'm my own. And why we are tired? Me I tell and this one. Me I told. Ni go time on me na ya time this thing go shock. On we are tell any man we feel we are shock. On any one. Only why total. Or why your backbone? Or why we shock we why gbogbo yan Ona me man so we ya settle down do the bike can be ya. You we aye la ya boy la hin. Ada eyan do la di ati e. Agele mi dandan de iru ta me gbe. Enu we ka ta me ni egbe we wa mi amia. Inu do yo wan ni laja do ri egbo we mi amia we ado avembo. We avembo bai. What kind of ball over you and you don't even do it too well in here. Now you are not cursing. You are not swearing. Why? Social media. You know, that is one thing I will try. I will try not to do when the time comes. Oh, you not tell you like me. I will, but you know, I mean, I go a bolo you make bene. Hey yo, why? Me are you 1 year ya bolo you with me? What? I go talk one go the maintain and they go. Yeah, I talk money I met in here. Yeah, why you may your degbe. Where? We are regretting, you know, you were talk money. You know, you were talk back again, but go at now. Why I kiss one? Now you fair can talk. Or you may lie, Johnny. You are a liar. You know, so I know, but so, hey, now what? Social media. Anyway, it's time for everything for everybody. I know we are doing no why I always say. I'm not encouraging people to do at all. No. Can you imagine? You join no marry no reward. I don't feel talk. Oh, cannot be presenter. I can the way you Utete do high. May ye presenter. Only presenter. Why present you? You know. So you see all this refrats in QA social media. The boy you me enjoy large although that they went that only Sunday they like social media. She dressed like a mother and a grandmother. She dressed decent. Enjoy had do ye nika do fake be social media. What's in me and Johnny? Yeah, be as your mo total. Where you put in wire. Oh, free of charge. Can you imagine? So I know my sister, Mama Joy, Mama. I will watch it. Oh, monetizing now. I get not by your way me view where job and pass for we. Only one job you got. Oh yeah, you wear me view no total. That way why you wear a topic where into we am you put one in your van who gilly walk walking up with Corona to where we say. Your son. Eh, by the way, I know your real name. I get your picture. I get your children picture before uncle. Social media na my music palo na ma so even ya la dia we na my children be this super yeah more time super picture them be like super and my children be this and my children be apopo po yo you no say mama your children ma mi yan o ma ha na bia ijo more time me titalo why love ye dem ne ya me ina like presenter award na ya muni me. Oh, obero, oh, egbe ya mi ayara what? Man, why? I be talker. I talk for the living Italo. Atalo one of church generation. You know, but another about my own that is one thing that we try not to. Because I even do I tell you because when I buy my own uri abo wani na wani mana laja do ba we gbona ya mo ebo ni oso egbe so na ga ko veri ani ai mani gbe yin awe ti mai so wala wo native doctor ni taba ma wo no ya ti ezo yan we ye wa ba be o ke Douglas ma wo mi dan ho ni because I don't know her ma you know ya I don't blame her just we comment no a native doctor ni make guji. A comment was a very wrong one. Because Mammy Ave Bawo Honiya in your tally with social media number 1. In your live video. Me my own day I was walking Douglas a your boy, your one night, your not my L. A gbema very your one to me, she and I hope in why they have every right to take action. Only boy, he may me or what I'm married 19 year old. Aha. So a comment no bony make or wrong. Comment ni wa wrong is boni wa se no laje wa do apologize in a statement ni ogele wa wrong awini owe boni henka owe awini eri bege why isha tell me ne why ka wuye ya ru that way the way ne boy why lion nu o ma ye a governor ya make example Oma ye wa ke kanori dunya duera. Ya make example. Ono wa du nu gurururu. Oma we gwa. Oma we do. Oma ye no be bien ni matter bigo. Straight. Why? He so upon your or send a water segwa. Aka bozo lota. Kawini etani wig big and then boy the picture like we are minute one karawati ba ogbe yek. Omo eni the glass near the way a bar market or muya. No hana no wa mu take me video. Usual when no echo shout because when you get this up but again the way near ya bizobo career social media why ni bizobo career salobo agwa o salobo ni ka ogwa egeni zobo why ladi ageni topic of me here now are we going to come and start live with you me entertainer me here egeni zobo ya so live video again e we na gati ijem yo bia na wa kere iye e wa bizobo na wa change egedi me wa ya ti amesa ni we izobo pe career o pe na ya agbena iya agbe yobo egeni zobo do ya we live video owe ni ma awe mani we gwali awe ti ma gwali ya gwaloku ni ati hook up owe no more hook up ni ma re hook up na we zobo na we direction we awe gbe kana ya we ni do ata na na we ema iwe ki wana call edit topic ni na la jan do to na ema game who you can see the sign where when it's open gbada hitana ona here ho ikere ema give pushing ya gbawe matter na ya fefe ne ma itemi central must stop ne ma itemi family matters ne ma itemi no pa na we matter na ide de wonya you know what e carry zobo na wa gbe carry opia ni izobo gbada ga ite wala jan ni wa mu ukuse ni ego ukuse ni go odo vie ba tie yo ge pigo o ga tie o hana ukama ina wija o iwa boya mudia ye ereka shu no ga ri oko wa o we uloko na hi erun loko o ga ye ni yo ga se du kan yo ya izobo gbada one of church kenisho e de ide de woni ye he wa we who do or for do o iwa kwembo ya kwa adeso edo o amebo gbi edo a native doctor na ya 100,000 ya tiezo boy ge mwe oku no ko e ma ni nu lati izobo na wa da dosisi ona wa afi osisi wa webo awewo so ba ija eyan na we ona atu mo shigbe many things no who the ground na here mo enu me we na eni megi yo na we aja yana bande we gwa gege we gbe laba izobo na de yo fe no de yezelibia ona ye fun izobo give we de na nani tasin mami una la social media e shade we that is zobo gele metene o wa head we no ya latian little gele mi ono tie we my brother you are a native doctor lawo ebonu hina adi emata ge ni body do call away from a webon ni amu wo yo mu we ire unure ye different direction udu agbare society pa don't try it igo 100,000 ni gbo account zobo ovela igo ni zobo no te wa make obiawe man te do atieso from social media obiri aka no na a platform here o ga pe didididi leti egele wa ladiyan we ni me ka me mama join na o wa say start with your hair high up, nobody push you around, no, don't bother to anybody wa we me no we no care iya wa muzobo gbada yana mu ya wa mo ya mu gedia ya mu ya ina wa mo yo mo ori ede gbada na ide na digbera so wa ni gbe kari zobo o salobo ni ka owa izobo gi wa bubu ge Russia gba ke Russia ba to Nigeria ona do ye fun ona do siame e fe se yana wa ge fe awe obero won ona si Obuye wana si. Omami go ya do ya misoi. Some bond we ski on re ya fair. So in real life na eri o kai ono wona awe mi. Mamu je o dem matter. Women purpose. Ma understand. You are not studying gidigba. Yeah, you no believe. You are letting people to push your head left, right, and center. Before you know what is happening, you will lost everything. But when I win as the analyzer on a dosaba space, wait to tell you. Sit down there, gidigba, with your head and shoulder high up. You are not a pushover. You understand? You say what you mean and you mean what you say. Bam. That is it. No joja no enu tin ora de erera wi je you joja ne ra wi je. No fi wa we agba we exchange age mate wa we de to ta wa we ja na we no hwan se ebode. Wa on ya. So no wa ya wa we se wa ya bita. Edi woni wa we tai se. Edi woni wa we itai se for now. It's about a few minutes to 12 over here. So I'll go over here too now. Good night, everyone. I'm not looking at the comments. Let me see if I can read a few comments. A present Amade Negbo. Sister Mapanola, you watch me away, my sister. La wo re John. Don't watch John. Ah, what in here, babe? Yeah, when you have near the bumana. The new prophet, new generation talk show. Prophet Atiti 1. Obokuta 1 of Sheshege Nation. Are you aware of Wegbe? That is Mama Joy right there. Thank you very much. You know, thank you. Mama Joy too gallant pass. Again, on is able to mokilaf. Like, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. No, a period me why I deleted my other number. I really on your say sometimes when you are, it's good to know how when to delete some element out of your your space. You just don't want them. I want to hear what they get to say. Because I know there nobody at your eyes is still be hearing all those things. Just throw that number or nobody hears it. I just don't want to hear rubbish. So and I was having a WhatsApp number and other social media for a few months. I decided I just want it to be like that. I was busy with other things. I don't have time for no, I don't want to. In my like it, once they call you, it's about what other people say that want to ginger you to behave in a certain way that is not your normal self, and it's not matured to come on social media where people was pushing but you choose to come on social media to comment on that issue because it will carry as a mature person. I don't want anything. Anyway, busy by then your lad here. Now my brother. A video any comedy mate here. I find it so funny. No agree eromine ana wagbuwo we ana mugiano. My brother only say why matter na every substance so no we are doing so more why our so all for have a blessed night and bye for now.